Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when all games that you want to download are not visible in Google Play Store for Samsung Galaxy A34. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store and actually try to find a game like Call of Duty. So there's this icon right here, but we can't even click on it. Now to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open the settings and locate family, then enter parental controls, and right here either disable it entirely or enter apps and games, then insert the pin code and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, go back and look for the Call of Duty again. It should be right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.